In today's lesson, you will enter a real manufacturing factory environment and learn how professionals handle shipment booking with carrier in international logistics. You will follow a practical conversation between Nam and Mai as they discuss booking confirmation, vessel schedules, cutoff times, shipping delays, and communication with the shipping line. This lesson will help you improve your English for daily factory operations, export coordination, and logistics communication with customers and carriers. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to confidently use important logistics vocabulary, understand real workplace conversations, and communicate more effectively in global manufacturing and export environments.
Hi, Mai. Do you have time to check the export booking for tomorrow's shipment?
Yes, Nam. I was reviewing the email from the shipping line this morning.
Good. Did they send the booking confirmation already?
Not yet. They said they are still checking the slot allocation.
That's not good. The customer's asking for the ETD again.
I know. The current vessel schedule shows departure on Friday night.
Is that schedule stable?
Honestly, not fully stable because of port congestion in Singapore.
That problem again.
Yes, many containers are delayed at the transshipment port.
Did the carrier mention possible rolling cargo?
They warned us about it if we miss the cutoff time.
Then we must prepare the cargo early.
Exactly. Production already finished packing this morning.
Great. How about container availability?
The depot still has 40-foot containers available today.
Perfect. Did trucking arrange pickup already?
Yes, the truck should arrive at 2 p.m.
Good timing.
But we still need the final confirmation number from the carrier.
I will call them after this meeting.
Please ask about the documentation cutoff too.
Sure. I think it is tomorrow noon.
Let me double-check the email.
Okay.
Yes, you are right. The documentation cutoff is tomorrow at 12 p.m.
Then shipping documents must be ready tonight.
I already informed the documentation team.
Nice. Did sales confirm the final quantity?
Yes, total shipment is 820 cartons.
Can all cartons fit into one container?
Yes, according to warehouse calculation.
Good. Which shipping line are we using this time?
We are using Evergreen.
Because of the new carrier contract?
Correct. Their new freight rate is more competitive.
How much cheaper?
Around $150 lower per container.
That is a big difference.
Yes, especially for monthly export volume.
Did they also offer a space guarantee?
Yes, but only for premium customers.
Are we included in that program?
Partially. We have limited allocation quota every month.
How many containers?
Around 20 containers under guaranteed space.
That should help during peak season.
Definitely. Last year we had many delayed shipments.
I remember. Several bookings were rejected.
Yes, because carriers reduced the slot allocation suddenly.
Production team was very stressed.
Warehouse too. Finished goods stayed too long inside the factory.
Hopefully this year is smoother.
I hope so.
Did you check the latest sailing schedule?
Yes. The vessel will stop in Kaohsiung before going to Los Angeles.
So that is the current transit route?
That's the end of today's lesson on shipment booking with carrier. In this lesson, you learned useful business communication used in real manufacturing and export environments, including how to discuss booking confirmation, ETD, ETA, cutoff times, and coordination with the shipping line. You also practiced practical English expressions commonly used by logistics, warehouse, and export teams in daily factory operations. Keep practicing these conversations and key vocabulary to improve your confidence in workplace communication and international logistics English. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.